Alright, so here's a quick way of reading out your smart meter. So as you can see, it doesn't show it on this screen, but anyway. But yeah, so you press this select button, not the connect button, but you press the select button to go through the screen to the different settings. And then 24 hours, so that's your power consumption in total kilowatt hours that has been used by the lights and the heat pump and your power points and everything. And that's the hot water power consumption, so in total kilowatt hours, so your total number that the hot water is used. And then that's just a test screen basically. And then back to that. Now to read out what the actual power consumption is, press and hold for 2 or 3 seconds, and it'll say volt. So that's the actual power voltage that's at your property. And then you press it once, and that says that we are currently using 15 amps on the regular power of the house, so that's the lights, the power points. And then press it again, and then that is the power consumption of the hot water, because the hot water is currently trying to heat, so that is that. And then you flick that, and that I do not know what that is, but we just scroll past that. And same with that. Now, power consumption for the kilowatts, so that's another way of reading your power consumption that's currently going through for your lights and your power points and whatnot, so heaters, air cons, etc. And then power consumption of the hot water currently, so while it's trying to heat the water. And okay, so that must be total power consumption. T, okay, so it. Now press and hold, and signal 99, so basically it's trying to reinstate the connection to the network, but it's yet to do that. And again, all these sort of things, don't know, but that one just before was serial number, and then plant, config, user, edit. So serial number 210 blah, 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 as you see 21025. So it matches up with that, and then press and hold. And then that carries on back to the regular screen that it was on just before.